Hey, sports fans. I've got a little instructional video for you here that's going to help you when it comes to signing up for Enjeo and what Enjeo is all about. Okay, first of all, when you sign up for Enjeo, you're going to sign up on a page that looks just like this one here. Signing up for Enjeo is always free. There's nothing to pay for at Enjeo itself. When you sign up for Enjeo, you're going to get a page that looks like this one here. And this is my personal page at Enjeo. You can see I've made $321.40 so far. $10 of that was in a referral just today, and I helped somebody else make $21.50 with the program, because I'm in good communication with everybody that is under me or under somebody else that is under me. Okay, so here's the thing. When you get on this page, you're going to want to click right here on customers. And let's see. Of course, it ain't going to work too fast for me. I'm sorry, I'm going to have to stop. Okay, finally got on to the customer page. Now, when you come into the customers page, these are your links in here that you can get somebody to sign up through these links or through the affiliate link that you give them. But what we want them to do is sign up from our affiliate link, which is right under affiliates. You grab that link and you send it to me, and I'll make a page for you that you can send people to, and it's got a little bit more instruction for them, and it's going to help them realize that this is where they need to be to make some passive money. It's not going to get anybody rich, but it's going to be steady and it's going to be passive. Okay, and this is the way it works. They sign up for one of these plans. Why would they want to sign up for this one here, which is right here? Okay, for $12.95 a month, if they sign up for that, and I'm not sure at this point, I'm waiting for an answer from them, but you are supposed to get a page just like this one here that's got all of these benefits. And you see all the benefits right there. And that makes sense, because if you are on this page and you're paying $12.95 a month instead of $1 a week, it's going to work out to almost, I don't know, it's close, but that comes with the benefits for sure when you sign up for that one there. Now, if you don't care about the benefits and you just want to make money in the referral program, you're going to choose one of these mini plans. Mini plan. Mini plan. Mini plan. And here's what they look like over there. First one is the credit monitoring. Then the information about about get the information that you need for $1 a week, or looking for your next dream home. It's the realty listings, $1 a week on that plan, or the mini plan for the roadside protection. Why worry about breakdowns on the road? $1 a week for that one there. So down on the products. Here's what happens on any of these. Whenever you pay in with the plan, that is where you're going to make that one transaction taken out of your debit card. And your debit card is linked to your bank account. In Enjeo, that's what you're going to get paid with. And that's in the commissions and the reports. You can always see a rundown of it at the top of the page right there. And when you go into the reports, you'll find a rundown on what you get paid for each day, and you can keep track of that through your bank account, because that's where they're going to deposit the money into your bank account. All right, now let's move on. What you want to do is you want to sign up for one of these, and they will take out, and like I said before, if you sign up for a mini plan, so far I don't have an answer from them, but it's supposed to give you a page like this one here. But some of the new people that have signed up for the mini plans are not receiving the benefits. There is a ticket out for that, and find out why they're not receiving it. And we're getting some conflicting information from Enjeo and their benefits department and everything. What they told me is that they shouldn't get that, but it doesn't ring true, because I have signed some of my people up with the mini plan, and they got a page just exactly like this one. Others do not have a page just exactly like this one, and that is supposed to be because of that, but it doesn't mean that it's exactly for that reason, because like I said before, I've got some new people that have signed up, and they've got a page just exactly like this, and some of the other ones that have recently signed up have a page that is not got any of these benefits on it. So, and if it's got to do with the mini plan and you don't have the benefits, we'll put a ticket in for it. We'll see if we can't get it changed to where you get the benefits. We're still waiting on an answer on that one there. But here's what happens. Every time you pay $1 a week out with these mini plans over here, you're going to get 24 to 48 hours later $1.15 to 25 cents back into your account. It's real easy to keep track of, because if you spent four dollar payments out for the mini plan, you're going to have $4.60 or $5, somewhere around there, deposited back into your account. You're always going to have more money deposited back into your account than you paid out. So that's a real important thing to look, because you got your money working for you then. It's growing at a slow rate, but a sure rate. It's sure going to happen, you know. This company has been in business quite a while. They will definitely take care of you, and they get customer service that's next to none online. I'm on the phone with them almost every day. So I've got about 10 minutes and 23-4 seconds into this. So here's the thing. Sign up for a mini plan, because then when everybody that you sign up, you're going to get $10 for. And when I teach them how to get other people and everything, and I get the other people coming to their pages through my marketing efforts, they're going to make $10, and the people that they're helping to get $21.50 back. That's what the last person got back and reported to me, that they made that money, and I made $10 for their referral. So seeing is believing, and this is the way this works. I'm going to tell you one other thing in this video. You have to crawl before you can walk. That is something that I learned a long time ago. My mother told me, and you know, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. This is really a bird in the hand. This is worth any two out there in the bush, because none of the other ones pay. None of the other ones, you know, I've tried and tried and tried to make money online, and I keep on coming back to this one here because I keep on making money with it. And I'm going to tell you right now, I want to help you, and I will do anything I can to help you, and I'm never going to leave you or forsake you. I'm always going to keep in contact with you. I'm always going to take you by the hand. I'm going to give you pages that you can send people to. I'm going to give you marketing ways that you can actually get people to see your page. I'm going to tie you into some of my marketing ways. I've got rotators. I have emails that I'm sending out, and if you're in the rotator and I send that email out, and I keep on sending people to that rotated page, you're going to get some people signed up under you, and you're going to make money with it. $10 for each one. So let's get with the program. Whoever sent you to the program and everything, go back to their page, put your information in the page. I did that for a reason. I want to get in contact with you. I want to talk with you. I want to communicate with you. I want to show you how you're going to make money with this program. And the only way I can do that is if you start the ball rolling and give me your information on there. I got a thing for your Skype name, so I can get a hold of you on Skype. I think I've got one for WhatsApp. You know, I'm gonna try to get a hold of you on WhatsApp. I'm gonna message you. I'm gonna get your phone number. I'm gonna email you, and we're gonna communicate with you. I want to get you on the same page that I'm on, and keep you on that page. So let's do it, folks. Thank you.